Hi, I'm Abel. I'm a member of the Logitech G team working on gaming products. Today, I'd like to introduce you to an all-new, best-in-class addition to our lineup, a new mouse that completely redefines the boundaries of wireless gaming, the Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse. With G602, you get lag-free freedom from cords and clutter combined with an unparalleled battery life. While other wireless gaming mice give you 8, 12, even 30 hours of power, we knew we could do better than that, all without compromising gaming performance. Using a pair of standard AA batteries in performance mode, G602 delivers up to 250 hours of non-stop gaming. It completely resets the bar for wireless gaming. This incredible battery life is coupled with the 2500 dpi optical sensor that takes full advantage of exclusive Logitech G Delta Zero sensor technology. With its amazing accuracy and precision, you'll have the confidence to lead that perfect shot. Plus, G602 has a lag-free 2.4 GHz wireless connection, and a 2 millisecond report rate is delivered through the USB nano receiver. Simply switch to endurance mode for less intense use. When you're ready to game again, simply return to performance mode, and when power does finally run low, the mode indicator will flash. G602 features 11 programmable controls, and thanks to Logitech gaming software, you can assign the mouse to execute macros, optimize your keybinds, configure multiple DPI settings, control your push-to-talk, and more. Plus, you can give each of your games its own group of settings, giving you nearly limitless configuration options. To learn more about the new Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse, visit gaming.logitech.com.
So what's good guys, it's Ree here and this is a mini Bluetooth controller from Magic Key Domo. So I recently did its unboxing video on my channel, so make sure you check it out. That video I told you guys its built-in quality, it's not so good. So let's divide this review into mods. So what mods is, basically this controller's got 4 mods. I can repeat, 4 mods. So these 4 mods are at A, at B, at C, and at D. So these are the basic controls. So we are at C right now, which is basically a computer controlling with the keyboards. That is the same experience we are getting here, a fully functional computer controlled with a keyboard. A is the enter, B is the back, and C and D are used for volume rocking. So of course you are not gonna get this feature on iOS devices, so iOS users, please quit the video. So the next mod we are checking out here is a D. So what this mod is, a computer controlled with a mouse. So this is called mouse mod, named by me itself. So what this is, you can move the cursor wherever you want to move. So trust me, it's so hard to use if you are not a pro. So enter is A and back is B and rest CD are the volume rocker. So finally we are at the last mod at B. So trust me, this is so cool to game with this controller. So right now I'm playing Limbo on my Galaxy S7 Edge, so definitely worth the app, so check it out. But the problem here is it's not gonna work with most of the games. So right now I am at mouse mode, so I am shifting it to the game mode at B. So most of the games are not gonna work except some VR games and some specific games like Limbo. So this is Bounce, one of the world's most reputed games. So that's it for this review at 3. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. Oh, make sure to subscribe.
Hey everyone, it's Colin. How's it going? The controller cables for the Super NES Classic Edition are about 5 feet long, but for many, that's still not enough. This time, let's take a look at a wireless controller designed with the Mini Retro console in mind. This is 8BitDo's wireless controller for the Super NES and Super Famicom Classic Edition. Like the Pro controller I reviewed not too long ago, it comes in 2 versions. One with the classic rainbow buttons, and the other with the North American purple ones. Both were sent to me by 8BitDo to check out and review. It's the same size and shape as an original Super NES controller, and while the button layout is identical, it does have a bit of a different design on the front. The buttons themselves have the same feel as those included with the SNES Classic Edition, and while the plastic texture isn't quite the same, it still feels plenty sturdy. In terms of functionality, this controller is very similar to the NES version that 8BitDo launched back in 2016. Pressing select and down is just like pressing reset on the console to get you back into the menu. A small receiver is included, and it draws power from the console itself. And while it's advertised for use with the SNES Classic Edition, it'll work just fine with the NES version too. Wireless pairing between the controller and receiver is automatic, and you can use 2 sets simultaneously. I didn't notice any issues with input lag either. While it's wireless, it isn't proper Bluetooth, so the controller will only work with the receiver. But you can hook it up to a Windows, Mac, or Android device through a micro USB cable. And that port, of course, is also used for charging. It takes about an hour, and 8BitDo advertises up to 25 hours of playtime. Ultimately, while this is a nice controller, it does